I'm David Whale, and this is
Caty.
and we are in Reston, Virginia. We decided to redo our kitchen and bathroom recently to sort of open up our house. We've been here for about 8 years or so, and it wasn't really quite our style. It was sort of dark. There was a wall that closed off the kitchen from the kitchen behind us. Our idea was really to open up the space as much as we could to really have that more open concept layout between the kitchen and living room. So we had a really odd configuration before of angles, and so just a simple island was sort of our main idea. We worked with Felice and her group at Prime Custom to develop our floor plan, and they sort of took it from there and developed it in three dimensions. I think it was a really good collaborative process. They listened really well to what our ideas were, and incorporated all those things into the ultimate design that you see here. So
I think one of the things, so we knew we wanted to redo our kitchen when we moved in 8 years ago, but it was a lot of interconnected work. So we wanted to replace the floors, we wanted to remove a wall. As it turns out, we removed a window. We wanted to update our laundry room, redo our bathroom. And so one of the things when we were looking for somebody to support us in that is we were looking for somebody who could be very flexible and do all of the work that we wanted to have done. We wanted somebody that could handle different complexities and then also just be very easy to work with in terms of transparent and care about the quality of work that was done, which is one of the things that I would certainly say hands down has been our experience with Prime Custom, is that they have cared about how things look, how well the job is done, really from the start. And that having been through a renovation before, I found that level of focus on the end result to be a very good experience.
Right, and Camille was a big part of the process. The owner of Prime Custom, so it was great having him here, checking up on the work that was being done and making sure everybody did a great job. So yeah, piggybacking on what she said, really just a one-stop shop. They can handle the design, they can handle all the different trades, and they've got their own forces doing the work, so we don't have to worry about subcontractors and that sort of stuff. So all in all, it was a really great experience from the early stages of design through completion. So, and all of that was during the pandemic. So we appreciate them working through that as well.
The other thing I would say is that the team, when there were clear lines of sight in terms of work that needed to be completed and finished, they were here weekends, they were here even on a holiday, really trying to finish the work on the timelines that they were targeting, and definitely to a high standard of quality.
And we made it clear we were open to, they could work as much as they wanted to. So they took us up on that, and that was great. So in addition to our new living room and kitchen, we also renovated our master bathroom. Caty can speak more to this, but we had a sort of a postage stamp size shower. It was very dark, really odd layout, some very dated finishes in there. So we really wanted to transform the bathroom to create a larger shower, glass shower. Caty uses the bathtub much more than I do, but so that was a must. We needed a big shower as well as a bathtub. So we have a nice freestanding modern tub that is very comfortable, I hear. And we're able to, again, sort of modernize the finishes in there. So with gray tile and contrasting that with some more natural bamboo tones. A lot of white to lighten it up, but then sort of vibrant blue for a pop of color. So based on our experience, we would definitely recommend Prime Custom for any kitchen, bath, remodeling, for both the design and the construction part of the project. Really was a great process from beginning to end.
Yeah, I'd say they were extremely easy to work with, and again, the attention to detail and how things looked in the finished product. I never had any doubt that they were paying just such close attention to the finished product and wanted to make sure that that was what we needed and what looked good. So it was great.